Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Well, you know, this is the fall. I'm in the garden in the evening, man. Just vibes in, meditating, just holding a vibes, you know what I'm saying? Just walking around and look at all the hard work I have done during this year, man. And basically what I'm doing, I'm actually just relaxing, man. You know what I'm saying? Just watching everything. Just watching peppers coming in, just watching gingers coming in, just watching turmeric coming in. I mean, it's a beautiful time, man. It's a beautiful time. This is after you put in all the hard work. So basically, after you put in all the hard work, what you doing now, you basically looking to harvest. Let me show you something here, guys. Let me just show you guys something. Look at this pepper tree here. Look at the amount of pepper this thing have on up to the top there. You see what I'm saying? This thing, look the amount of pepper. I'm not sure if you guys see it. But look the amount of pepper this thing have on. You know why, guys? Because I put in the hard work. Now, I'm just relaxing now. I'm just waiting to just harvest. Just harvest on a regular. You have okra. We have dasheen, we have peanut, man, we have lots of things going on. So yes, guys, this is what's basically going on. I'm just giving you guys a little update on the garden and basically giving you guys, these are young okra that now producing. These okra now start producing, now start producing. But you know what, you got to get them young, because if you ain't get them by the time you come back, they get old already. All right, so yes, guys, we have all kind of things. We have mustard greens coming back. This whole area here is Edo's. Let me go give you guys a little peep of my pumpkin. Yeah, man, let me give you guys a little peep of my pumpkin. All this is pumpkin going all the way around there, all the way around there. And that's one right there. Yes, guys, so I just wanted to show you guys this. And this is after your hard work all through the spring, all through the summer. Now you just relaxing. Peace and love.